Hello, I'm in a 2016 Ford F-350 and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first we'll go on the driver's side here and you should see a lever here. That's your safety release. You should feel a little tension and hear a little pop when you open it. If there's no tension at all, just double check back here that this is all connected. You can see there's like a cable that should be part of it. So after you check all that, go up to the front. And yeah, most vehicles, there's like a safe release somewhere towards the middle. And this should be a little loose since we pulled that safety release. So right here, it's here, so we'll push that way and then lift up the hood. So pushed, lifting up. There should be some hydraulics to lift it once you get it started. That's it, that's what it was hooked onto. And this is what that mechanism looks like with this lever I was pulling. If you're having issues, check for debris, maybe some WD-40 to loosen this up. Also check to make sure this is all centered and properly tight. Same thing with the hood, make sure your hood's in alignment and that's all centered. But otherwise, yeah, worst case, these parts are pretty cheap if you need to replace something. But I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.